Right now, Jaden Smith is the world's wealthiest kid actor. He is Will Smith's son, and he follows in his father's footsteps. He has proudly done more than the other performers in the profession have at such a young age.
Abigail is an English actress and singer who started her career when she was just 3 years old. She is currently one of the world's wealthiest actresses. Signs, her first film, was released in 2002. Most richest kids in the world. Nick is a millionaire who built his fortune on his own from the United Kingdom. His fortune stems mostly from his computer programming abilities and a firm he started when he was just 15 years old. Nick, a technological prodigy, created Sumly, an iOS software that was subsequently purchased by Yahoo for $30 million. Anna Nicole Smith got an inheritance following the death of her mother, Anna Nicole Smith. She died unexpectedly due to old. She was survived by her daughter Danilyn and an estate. By default, the young Burkhead inherited her mother's money and joined the ranks of the millionaires, most rich.
Emma and Max are among the richest twins in the world due to their parents' famous famed Mark Anthony and Jennifer Lopez. From the moment they were born, the media has been monitoring their progress and piqued the attention of followers. The success of their mother, Jennifer Lopez, who is currently one of the most popular American musicians, is added to the mix. Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's twin children, Knox and Vivian, are superstars. The twins' fortune began to accrue almost immediately after their birth. Suri is one of the world's richest children, thanks to her parents, Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes. When her parents die, she inherits the majority of her fortune, much like the rest of the wealthy children.
Blue Ivy is the richest child in the United States. Being born into a rich family is without a doubt the best and easiest method to become affluent. Blue Ivy is one of those fortunate children, having been born into hip-hop's most affluent family, Beyoncé and Jay-Z. Most rich.
Because Bill and Melinda Gates like to keep a low profile when it comes to their personal lives, their children's lives are mostly kept out of the spotlight, and there isn't much information on Phoebe. Despite being the last child of the wealthy family, she is expected to be the next largest recipient of her parents' fortune. He is the richest kid in the world with a whopping net worth of over $1 billion. Prince George, commonly known as Prince George of Cambridge, was born on July 22, 2013, and is the world's richest kid. Prince George will undoubtedly be at the top of any ranking of the world's newest and youngest billionaires. His fortune stems from his birth into a royal family. Most richest kids in the world.